2017 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, power door locks, power windows, security system, CD player, power brakes, side airbag, intermittent wipers, tachometer, overhead console, power mirrors, power outlets, heated mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.